Here's all you need to know about the new McDonald's app. It's all the things you love about McDonald's at your fingertips. First, download the McDonald's app on your mobile phone. And then, sign up and select North and East as your location and then register. After registering, you will see a deal section on the app. Tap that section. You will see all the amazing deals that are currently active. Select the deal that you want to avail by clicking on it. Then tap Redeem and activate the deal. Once you tap the Redeem button to get your favorite deal, a 5-minute timer will start and a QR code will appear on the screen. Then scan the QR code at the counter scanner, or just simply show the alphanumeric code to McDonald's crew and they will help you. You can even scan the QR code at the drive-thru to get great offers. It's just that simple. And then enjoy your meal. Oops, I mean enjoy your meal with the real deal.